Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 places that you can outsource your work for your business, and 2 of those 4 you're going to be able to work with and make money with if you decide to, okay? So stick around. We'll be right back here in just a few seconds and we'll get on that. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin with freedommotivator.com, and if this is your first time here and you've been here before and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, reach down there below and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Alrighty, and also if this is your first time here to this channel, what we do here is we do how-to videos, general value videos, affiliate marketing videos, and anything to do with making money online videos to help you out with making money online. Okay? All right, great. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the content of today's video. Like I said earlier in the intro, I'm going to show you 4 websites where you can outsource your work for your business to take some of the work off of you and free up your time. And 2 of those you're going to be able to work with and make money with also if you decide to do that too. Okay, so what we're going to do is come over here to my browser and load that up. And our first site that we're going to check out here is Fiverr.com, which is a pretty popular site. I think most people probably know about this. Fiverr's got all kinds of different categories and subcategories that you can get involved with in graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video, animation, music and audio, programming and tech, and business categories and lifestyle categories here. So you can come over here and become a seller with them, and then sell your talents. And they want me to sign in here, but I'm not signed in. Yeah, I do have an account here, but I'm just not signed in. But you can sell your talents here and make plenty of money with Fiverr on this site here. And then also the number 2 site, and you can also, the same here, all these that I'm showing you, you can outsource your work if you want to. You can either purchase you can purchase whatever that you want to do. If you're looking for logo design or looking for some sort of outsourcing writing for your blogs or something like that, anything to do with your business, you can hire a virtual assistant right here on Fiverr, as well as get a job here and work here as yourself and sell your talents and make money on this site as well. So that's one site. The other site here, of course, is another one that's fairly popular in the United States and the world here. It's called Upwork.com. And at Upwork, it's the same pretty much as with Fiverr. They have web development, mobile development, design, writing, admin support, customer service, marketing, accounting, and then they have a few other categories there as well, which if we click on that, we can see some of the different subcategories that they have here that you can outsource your work with. And you can also get a job here too and make money by selling your talents or your what you're good at, the things that you'd like to do or that you're good at with internet and computers and so on and so forth, and make money that way too. Now, there's a lot of people who do this both ways. They'll outsource their work as well as sell their services on these sites as well too. All right, so that's 2 sites here. Upwork is another popular one. And again, if we click on how it works here on this site, you can just easily find, freelancers and so on and so forth. And then if you can hire freelancers and all kinds of different things and that you can do here. And also, if you're wanting to be a freelancer or work with Upwork, just like with Fiverr, you can just sell your talents and services here too as well, okay? And make money at the same time as you're outsourcing. So you can do either or with both Fiverr and Upwork. You can do it on either way. Now, the other two sites are overseas sites here. These are the virtual assistant company here called onlinejobs.ph. That .ph is, this site is in the Philippines. Okay, and this site here, they don't take workers or people that are selling their services from any other countries but Filipino workers. Okay, but there's a lot of people that like this particular company here, and they have a lot of good testimonies on this website of people that have hired freelancers off of this website as well. And click on up here on pricing, this thing here. They've got a free for life type deal with their free trial, and it's free, and you can see that you can get job posts for 3. Job post approval time is about 2 days versus the pro and the premium where it's instant. As soon as you post your job, you get instant approval. And then you can view different applications and the different things that you can do down through here versus the price that you're paying. They got a $69 per month one, and then a $100 per month category here too. If I can get myself out of the way, there you go. And there's no contracts, no commitments, no extra fees, no salary markups, and then cancel at any time your subscription. All right, and then, but the only thing is they do not hire people other than in the Philippines here. And if we come down here to frequently asked questions, where was it? I saw it earlier on here. It might have been on the other one. Let's see here. Seeker. All right, here we want a job here. Let's see here. Pretty sure that these they don't here. Vetted workers, register. Let's see, workers, how it works here. Yeah, right here it says down here on their frequently asked questions for workers, it says, do you allow workers from other countries? And it says onlinejobs.ph specializes in workers from the Philippines. Employers that come to our site know that this is the best place to find Filipino workers. Therefore, we only allow Philippine nationals or citizens to use the site as workers. We don't allow workers from other countries, such as India, Africa, Europe, Asian, etc., so on and so forth. So this is a good place to come if you want to outsource your business. If you have some things you want to outsource that's in your business to free up your time and take some work off your hands, and you can come here and you can see some of their pricing here for what you get here. All right, and that's onlinejobs.ph. That's the third site. And the fourth site, again, where you can hire outsourcing for your business is 123employee.com, as you see it up here in the address bar. And they have, of course, a lot of people here, a lot of success stories, testimonials of people that like this particular site here. Now, this site here is a little bit more expensive. We click on their pricing here. You can see, once it loads up, there it is. It says you'll not be billed until you hire your first employee. You can choose your employees and give a job description, and we'll match you up with the appropriate candidates with the skill level, education, and experience that you desire. So they have the silver plan, which is $597 a month. The monthly or the gold plan, which is $897, and then of course your platinum plan is $1,387 a month. And you get 40 hours of work. It's literally you're hiring people as if your business is hiring employees, just like you have employees that work 40 hours a week for you. It's the same thing here, part-time or almost full 40-hour per week here. So you can see the different things that they have in each category for the price range that you're at. So you can come here. The only thing here is they don't hire people from the United States either to work with them. or any other country. It's also, this is just the Philippines as well here. Come down to frequently asked questions here. Click on that. We can see trying to see if don't think there is. I looked through here earlier and didn't see anything about anybody that can get a job here or sell their services or talents here. Excuse me, but so yeah, you can come here. Basically, it looks like you can just only hire from here and outsource your work for your business and be able to get just pretty much anything you want done. They've got all kinds of, I'm trying to see here, some of the clients. There are categories that you can have pretty much anything: designing, graphic design, posting articles to your blog if you want to have those outsourced, graphics made for your website or your logos and business graphics and those kind of things. And and they have a blog here and a contact us and so on and so forth. So yeah, this is a good place where you can outsource your work and free up your time in your business. Okay, so these 4 places I wanted to show you here today. Of course, 2 of them that you can certainly get a job with and make money with: Fiverr and Upwork. And then the Filipinos sites where you can just outsource your work and free up your time there too, as well as all the other 2. So 2 of them you can get a job with and work with and outsource your time or your work to free up your time. And the other 2, you just outsource your work to free up your time and give you more free time in your business and so on and so forth. Okay, well guys, that's what I had for you today in today's video. Wanted to show you that these places where you can free up your time and make money at the same time too, if you decide to do so. Okay, all right, so don't forget to reach down there and subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. And if you like these videos, reach down there and give me a thumbs up too. And don't forget to check out my #1 affiliate marketing business down there below in the description. Click where it says Mentor with Kev if you're interested in starting an affiliate marketing business and want to learn more about it. And click there where it says mentorwithkev.com, and you can see what all's involved and what you get for that too, as well, as far as free bonuses. Okay, alrighty guys, that's what I wanted to show you today. I'll see you again here in a couple days on the next video. You guys have an awesome day today. Bye bye now.